Before we get started, I wanted to show you a great way that you can incorporate some of the bind actions into your daily life without even leaving your desk. So, close your eyes, take your hands to your thighs, and bring your chin to your chest. Now slowly move your chin around your collarbones like you're painting a necklace. And then see if you can expand that circle, rolling your right ear to your right shoulder, and left to your left shoulder. And do that a few times. And see if you can expand even more by letting your head go back. And forward. And out. And forward. And back and around. And come back to center. Let your left ear rest on your left shoulder. You don't have to do much at all. Just take your left arm, wrap it over your head, and let the weight of your arm carry and open the right side of your neck. Relax your jaw, relax your tongue. This can feel like plenty big enough of a pose. Stay here if that's the case. Otherwise, move your left hand behind you, bend your elbow and bring the top of your left hand behind your back. Roll the top of your left shoulder back. Feel your left shoulder blade coming into your back as you take your right hand a little further out and over your left ear. Take another full breath in. And another full breath out. Slide your left palm back on your thigh. Keep your ear down, but take your right hand down, chin to chest. Pause. Bring your left ear to your left shoulder. Taking your left arm up and over your ear. Let the weight of your arm carry and open the right side of your neck. Relax your right jaw and your tongue. The front of your tongue, the middle of your tongue, and then the root of your tongue is in the middle of your throat. Do that too. Relax. This can feel like plenty big enough of a stretch. Stay here if that's the case. Otherwise, take your right hand back, bend your elbow and bring the top of your right hand to your lower back. Then roll the top of your right shoulder back, move your elbow back. As you keep stretching and encouraging your head to fall over to the left. Take another full breath in. And another full breath out. Slide your right palm back on your thigh. Keep your head tilted, but take your left hand to your left thigh. Bring your chin down. And then slowly release your head. Vertebrae per vertebrae until you stack your brain over your heart. Crack your eyes open. Thank you so much for joining me. Please do this as many times as you need in the most random places that you can. Even the subway, go for it. Have a good day.